everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. I'm gonna help you learn how to log into your Roamans credit card account in today's tutorial episode. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser and begin. In the address box at the top of the screen, go ahead and type in Roamans credit card login and press enter. You'll find yourself on the next page. Click on this first link that says Roamans credit card find community bank account info. Simply click on that link and you'll be redirected to a next page over here. From this page, you can simply click on the sign in button at the top of the screen and you'll find yourself in the sign in area for your Roamans credit card account. Type in your username in the first text field. Make sure to enter the valid information and right where it says password, type in the password for your account. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon or the show link in order to reveal your password. If you want the system to remember your credentials, then you can click on this Remember Me box so that next time you try to access your account, it will be pretty much easier for you to log in. But if you are using a public device or a shared computer, leave the box unchecked for your security. In case you've forgotten your username or your password and you don't know what to do next, click on the link that says Forgot Username/Password beneath the sign in button and follow the instructions in order to look for your username or to reset your forgotten password. Finally, after typing in your credentials and you're ready to log in, click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your Roamans credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.